In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off your proxy server on your ASUS laptop, desktop computer, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select on the left panel where it says network and internet. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and locate proxy. Select that. Where it says automatically detect settings, make sure that's toggled to the on position. And where it says use a proxy server, select set up and toggle this to the off position and then select save. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.